Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hulu on Vizio TV step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Vizio TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Vizio TV using the remote control. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Scroll down and find the apps section. Select featured or all apps to search for Hulu. Look for the Hulu app icon. If Hulu is not available, you may need to download it. Select the Hulu app and click on the Install button to download it. Once the installation is complete, open the Hulu app. You will be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and select Login. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. After logging in, you may see an activation code on your screen. Using a computer or mobile device, go to the Hulu activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Follow the instructions to complete the activation process. Once the activation is successful, your Vizio TV will refresh the Hulu app. You can now start watching your favorite shows and movies on Hulu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.